Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to install your Binance chain wallet so that you can join FORSAGE BSC. The process is quite simple. It's just one step. So first do a search for Binance chain wallet, then go to the Chrome web store, click add to Chrome, then click add extension, and now you see that the extension was installed. Now you click the icon and then you have two options. I own a wallet, I do not own a wallet. So we are going to click on the second one because we want to create a new wallet. Then you set up a password, click continue. Then you must copy your 12 secret words. So you can just click this button here to copy. Make sure you read this. Okay, so let's continue. Now you have to confirm the seed phrase. And then we click continue and it's done. So now the Binance chain wallet is set up and ready to use.